Welcome to the General's Workshop. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting project that took our airsoft field to the next level. It all began with a vision, a plan, and a determination to bring that idea to life. Today, we spend the day creating a dynamic space for players to gear up and strategize for some intense gameplay.
Band of Brothers Productions presents The Prison Yard.
Join us as we take you through the process of designing, drafting, and building the ultimate staging area for an unparalleled airsoft experience. Let's jump right in. Our first priority targeted traffic control strategies aimed at amplifying every inch of space. Our initial draft emerged as a single row of barrels, but with each revisit to the drafting table, those barrels multiplied into 2 rows to provide the much needed oasis of respite, a haven from the relentless embrace of Northern California's scorching sun. The true arkenstone of this build is the retractable canopy of shade cloth that offers a sanctuary from the sun's fierce embrace. Well, here we are at the land. There's someone there waiting to get out. Buddy is on point. All right, well, here we are at the land. We got a work day, the infamous work day. So excited. Come on. It is late in the day already, so we're getting kind of a late start. It's about 8:30 right now. Let's do this. Okay. Go, boy, go get him. Oh, let me guess, what tree are you gonna pee on? He always goes to that tree. Always. Oh, he didn't pee on it. Folks, we might have a first. Are you feeling under the pressure, Braun? Wow. That's new to me. I wanted to give you guys a fresh update on the Overwatch. Not only is it freshly constructed, but the paint is still wet. Check that out. At this point, all we have left to do at Overwatch is to add the camouflage netting on the top and then maybe to add a couple pieces of corrugated tin up on the second floor just to provide some cover. That and a few other finishing touches and we're good to go. Woo! Did you just touch your nose with the lens? You little cutie pop. What are you doing, Bron? Quote my brother, are you doing dog stuff? He's like, darn right, I'm doing dog stuff, Dad. Alright, so here's some of our little piles that we use. We get donations across. Oh, here we go. I wonder if I can make some 1x3 furrowing. These are like, holy smack that. Whoa, there's a cat. Go get him. Oh! Go have fun. Look at you, protecting the kingdom, Braun. Is that evil cat gonna take over? So we've got these 4x4. I wonder if I can cut these down, right? I'm thinking about for the 4x4 posts that are going inside the staging area. These are in rough shape, but I don't need them to do a whole lot other than just kind of support the structure. So I like these over here. Good. I think I'm going to grab a bunch of these and cut these down, or maybe cut those in half. Yeah, that'll be good. That actually worked out pretty good. I need a bunch of those too, and then I can cut those on a, rip them down. Let me take a selfie.
My imagination went crazy.
So this right here will be a little bit more where the trailer gets backed in right here. The truck of the trailer and all the traffic will go around the outside, as you can see. So we're kind of getting it outlined, getting it set. So this is going to be awesome.
The Iron Horse Bridge, and then here I am. Oh no, this is not on video.
No, this is 100% on video. Mixing the concrete here for the post. You can kind of see Corman. Woo! So you guys can see we've already got the barrels going with the 4x4s, and then we've been using obviously the high strength concrete mix, 80-pound bags times 2 to kind of fill them in. That way we can stay kind of mobile and portable with them, and you can kind of see how we're delineating kind of the staging area all the way around. And then of course that area right there will be where the trailer will back in. And then of course this will be kind of the front and front of headquarters. You see right where those lids are, that's where the 4 foot by 6 foot stage will be, with the roof at an angled position. And then this will end up becoming the entire staging area. So it is looking good. And then of course there'll be shade cloth from between there, and then coming back to here, coming to there, and then there'll be the tables right through here. It's happening. All right, you guys. So you can see that we got done, or at least part of it, as far as the 4x4 posts are concerned. The stage will be right there. And then on that far left side, you can see where the trailer will go. And then the sunshade will span across these 2 barrel lines, and the tables will be down there. And let me go show you what we got done over here. So we got the floor put in. You can see that. That we'll put in here, and we'll kind of wet that and then tamper it down or pack it with a vibra plate. And then this will be the entire kind of the mess area. And then that whole area, there'll be a door entrance in. This will be the serving line right through there. So this will be a ton of fun. All right, everyone, we got the staging area that's kind of coming together a little bit. It's going kind of slow, but eventually here we'll have kind of these cross members, if you will, rafters, however you want to call them, connecting there with the shade cloth over top, and then the tables going down. This is going to be the staging area where we'll do all the announcing, and then this is going to end up being the kind of the new stage. This will be filled with sand or some type of a compressive, honestly probably DG3 to be quite honest, inside that, and then another platform with 4x4 posts coming off each corner coming up, and then an angled roof on the top of that. So that's actually looking really pretty good. Hot dang, come on now. Woo! And that's where the trailer is going to end up going. I wonder if I should do that tomorrow. We will see. All right, just a quick update. These are the 2x6s that will end up, once they're painted, so those are the 6 of them that need to be painted. Those are going to go up on the top of the roof, forming part of the roof, part of that L bracket. So there's 6 of them, one for there, one obviously for here, one for over there, and then 1, 2, 3, right there. And so then that way the shade cloths will get protected, if you will. So those are there. Those need to get painted and coated. These are the 2x4s. All of those need to get sprayed and coated as well. Those are going to be the individual ones that will go inside the barrels for the field. I didn't quite get them all in. These ones are all in. These ones will get notched right here, and then this will kind of come a complete table. Put a gun rack up there so when you come back between gameplay, you can actually set the guns up so they're not laying flat on the actual surface, just taking up valuable space. So, actually turned out pretty good. So we're making progress. A lot of work today, but we had a bunch of people out that kind of helped with the mission. So super excited, but yeah, more to come.